subscribe, hit that bell notification. That way you get notified whenever I post a new video. Also, smash that like button. Smash that like button. So we're at the NASA Federal Credit Union. So they do offer personal loans. So let's go here and look at over their criteria. So personal loans, low fixed monthly payments, rates as low as 10.09%, which is amazing. Most loans, personal loans, are like 12%, 12%, 14, 15, even all the way up to 18%. I've seen it up to 30% on a personal loan. That's really predatory, so obviously you want to avoid that. But flexible terms up to 84 months, no origination fees, no prepayment penalties. There are some companies that actually charge you an origination fee to originate the loan. So I don't think that's right. And then prepayment penalty, basically you don't pay a fee if you pay it off before the term. And then amounts up to $30,000. Quick delivery of funds, usually 24 to 72 hours. Up to 60 months, minimum $1,000, up to $30,000. Rates as low as 10.09%. The longer the term, the higher the interest rate. The shorter the term, the lower the interest rate. You see how it says up to 60 months is 10%. Up to 84 months is 11.09%. And it's a soft pull. What you can do is just hit check your rate. It's going to soft pull your Experian. All right. You do have to be a member, though. So we're going to talk about that in a second, how to join. And then they also have a cash line of credit. Need money for your ongoing project or temporary cash up to $30,000. It's revolving. No collateral required. Low minimum payments. Again, up to $30,000. And then there's just a shared secure loan, which is basically like a pledge loan. And then they also have credit cards. We're going to go over that now. So this is their top tier credit card, Earn Rewards. It's the Platinum Advantage Rewards. Really, it's not great as far as rewards, but they have high limits up to $30,000. And again, it's a soft pull pre-qualification. Let me just preface by saying this. Just because you're pre-qualified, it does not guarantee an approval. It does not mean you're approved. It just means you're very likely to get approved, but they still can, it's up to their discretion to approve you after they hard pull you. They're going to hard pull your Experian, okay, from what the data points I've gathered. Again, you can just check your rate, get the cashback card. This is the top tier card because it's the highest rate. And then this one is just like low APR. Fixed rate low as 12.4%, which is actually great. Again, Chase, Wells Fargo, Amex, they have interest rates 24, 26, 28%, 29% on their credit card. So if you just want a low credit card, a credit card with low interest rates, you can get something like this. And generally speaking, 9 out of 10 times, a credit union is going to have a lower interest rate on a credit card than a national bank like Chase, Wells Fargo, Bank of America. They'll have lower interest rates for the card, although you don't get the perks like a Chase, Amex, things like that. So that is something that you guys can definitely check out. Now, in order to join, you're going to get to this page where it says join in 3 steps, all right? All right, so here's what you need to be required to join. You have to, your eligibility, you have to have, I am a current or retired employee of NASA Center. I am a member of an employee of NASA Federal Association or partner company. I am related to or currently live with a NASA Federal member. If none of these apply, it says it right here. If you need another way to join, no problem. You are passionate about space, becoming an affiliated member. This is going to take you to the next page where you have to pay, I believe it's $60. Just continue going through this process. It's going to ask you to join. You have to pay like $60 to join the association. And then you'll be eligible to join NASA Federal Credit Union. Guys, let me know in the comments if you guys have this card. If you guys are looking to get this card, this credit card, let me know in the comments let me move here before I wrap this video up. Again, guys, don't forget to subscribe. Hit that bell notification. That way you get notified whenever I post a new video. Also, smash that like button. They do have business credit cards, all right? So let's look over their product before I hop off. Now, they do have up to $50,000 on the business side. Let me say that again. They have up to $50,000 on the business side. Now, there's a quick disclaimer. It says, business credit cards and loans are available for approved industry. Business must be located and operating within Maryland, Virginia, and the District of Columbia to be eligible. Okay, and then you can reach out. You can apply here. This is not a pre-qualification. FYI, this is not a pre-qualification. This is not like the personal ones where they'll pre-qualify you for the business side, okay? But they do have up to 50,000 on the business side. I'm not 100% sure if they pull Experian or TransUnion for the business side. Let me see if it says it here and who is the underwriter. I'm not going to spend too much time here, but usually it's an Elan Financial underwriter. I don't see it here, but they do offer business credit cards as well, up to 50,000. I don't know. I'm not 100% sure if they pull Experian or TransUnion for the business side. No, for the personal side, it's a soft pull, and they pull Experian. They will be pulling Experian. Don't forget to subscribe. That's about time. My name is Rosario. Peace.